Want to make money on eBay, Amazon, or Etsy, but don't have your own products? No worries. In this video, I'll show you proven methods to start earning without ever holding inventory. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a bonus tip to maximize your profits. Dropshipping. Let's start with dropshipping, one of the easiest ways to sell online without owning products. Here's how it works. You find profitable products from suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Salehu. You list them on eBay, Amazon, or Etsy at a markup. When a customer buys, you purchase the item from your supplier and they ship it directly to the customer. No upfront inventory costs, minimal risk. Lower profit margins and supplier shipping times. Pro tip: focus on high demand but low competition products. Use tools like Zik Analytics for eBay or Helium 10 for Amazon to find trending products. 2. Print on demand, POD. Want to sell unique products? Try print on demand. Instead of holding stock, you upload your own designs and POD platforms like Printful, Printify, or Gelato Print and ship the items for you. Popular POD products: t-shirts, hoodies, and hats, mugs, phone cases, and posters, stickers, and tote bags. You list these custom items on Etsy, eBay, or Amazon, and when someone orders, the pod service prints and ships it. Zero inventory needed. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Canva to create eye-catching designs without any design skills. 3. Digital products. Next, let's talk about digital products, the most profitable, hands-off way to make money. Popular digital products to sell: printable planners, calendars, and templates. Ebooks and guides, stock photos, fonts, and graphic assets. Once created, digital products have zero shipping costs and can be sold an unlimited number of times. Pro tip: Etsy is one of the best platforms for selling digital products. Use tools like Creative Fabrica to get ideas for digital items that are trending. 4. Retail and online arbitrage. Another great way to earn is arbitrage, buying products at a low price and selling them for a profit. 2 types of arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, buying discounted items from local stores like Walmart or Target and reselling them online for a higher price. Online arbitrage, buying items from Amazon, eBay, or AliExpress at low prices and flipping them on Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. Pro tip: use scanning apps like Amazon Seller App or Brickseek to find profitable products instantly. Bonus tip: use AI to automate your business. AI is changing the game. Here's how you can use it to make your online business even easier. ChatGPT, generate product descriptions and customer service responses. Sell the Trend, Zik Analytics, find the best-selling products automatically. Midjourney and Canva, create product images for digital products and pod. There you have it. 4 ways to start earning on eBay, Amazon, and Etsy without your own products. Whether you try dropshipping, print on demand, digital products, or arbitrage, the key is taking action. Want more in-depth strategies? Check out the full guide in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this helpful.